Hello and welcome guys. In this CATIA series, I will let you know how to use symmetry command and mirror command in 2D and 3D also. Okay, so first we will see in 2D, after that we will see in 3D. I'm going to take one circle in the center, okay, and one circle is here, okay, and taking fillet command here to here, okay, and this is a mirror command. Take mirror command, select your object, select the reference line, okay, you can see this is a mirror command, okay. So second one is symmetry. So I will let you know how to use symmetry command. So take a line here, one line, again I'm going to take one line here, okay, I'm going to delete this one, and again I'm creating a line like this, okay, and one line I'm going to create here in the center, and I'm taking one circle here, okay, and now I will use symmetry command. So press here, and this is a symmetry command. So select your object and select the reference line, okay, this is going to here, okay. If you will use mirror command, so take this object and select the, okay, this is copy here actually, and this is a symmetry and mirror command, and I will let you know in 3D. So just I'm going to create one circle here, this is our part, okay, switch in PartDesign, convert into 3D, okay, this is our part, okay. We will use first symmetry, after that we will take mirror command. So this is a symmetric translation icon, this is symmetry also, we can say, and this is a mirror. So first we will say translation, select okay, okay. So this is a vector direction, so select your part and select the, okay, this is asking for the vector direction, in which direction you want to like symmetry. Select the plane, or you can select the line here, okay, you can see, you can provide the length, okay. If you will cut here, again I'm going to take translation, this is, you can say, rotate, translation and symmetry. Translation is just type of copy, okay. Select your object, select the plane here, okay, you can see. If you will press OK, so this part will be goes here, go in this side, okay. If you will use like rotate, so select object, select object, if you will select this axis, okay, so you can see, okay, this is a rotate actually. And again I will let you know translation. Translation is just type of mirror, so select your object, and this is a like the direction, in which direction do you want to translate or copy. And second one is mirror, okay. So this is a mirror command, I'm selecting this object and selecting the plane, this is my plane, okay, you can see. This is a tool to use mirror command, and if you want to like use a mirror again, so select mirror, select object, okay. This is not a one part actually, due to this reason it is going to take error. So but if you will both join the command, so you can use also. So I'm taking one example also, I'm taking whole this side here, this is a whole, like, okay, press OK, and select this, select mirror, select your, and it is asking for this plane. Okay, this is a plane for mirror. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this is a very important tool if you are designing any symmetry part or any like part which is in LH and RH. So this is very useful command. So please like, follow for more videos. In other video we will see multi section and other tools which is very mostly used in a part design and plastic design. So please like, follow and subscribe.